my little beauties, it's your girl Tandy here again. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And yes, I am back with another African inspired hair tutorial. So today I'm going to be testing out a style that is part of this collage of braided hair that I found on Pinterest. This is the style that I'm going to try and recreate. As you can see, it's kind of like, it's almost like a bit of a Bantu knot style. And then it has these individual braids coming out instead of like a knotted bun at the top. This is pretty simple style, but it's something that I want to kind of try out, see how it kind of looks. Unfortunately, I don't have a front angle, so I'm not entirely sure what's going on in the front, so I may have to just be creative with it. But the back is definitely something which I can see. And this style is probably more about parting than anything else. So that's going to pretty much test my skill, which I'm not too skilled at. Unfortunately, I'm not the best skilled at parting. But I'm going to try and get this parting nice, because it's quite a nice kind of heart-shaped parting. Then it's pretty simple after that. So I'd really like to see what that looks like on me, and also kind of play with the front and see what I can create there. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So as normal, I'm starting from freshly washed and conditioned hair. So I'm going to now undo these twists, comb them out. I'm going to add a little bit of leave-in conditioner because my hair is actually a little bit dry still. And I'm also going to use some almond oil to oil my hands. So now I'm going to undo the twists, comb them out, and I will be back when I'm finished. now brushed all of my hair out. You can see it's shrunk a little bit because of the conditioner that I use. I wouldn't normally use this deep conditioner before styling because it's got water in it, so it shrinks my hair down. But for this kind of style, it's okay. I needed a little bit of stretch in order to make some nice braids that will actually kind of stay. So now I'm going to study the picture and I'm going to try and recreate the parts. So I'm going to start with the back and try and create the center, which seems to be the most elaborate part, and get the heart shapes. Once again, I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with the front, but we'll see. Okay guys, so I've now sectioned out my hair into the sections that I want to try and create some shapes with. I have about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections. And I'm now going to try and create and define the parts that it's a really nice heart shape that she's got. It's a really nice heart shape design that she has at the back of her head, and I believe at the front, because I can't see the top of her head, I'm not sure, so I'm going to be creative and basically just try and create those heart shapes all around the outer rim. And then yeah, I'm going to perhaps do something different with the front. I really want to attempt it because it just seems like such a fun and vibrant style that may be an even great party look. And then I even thought about changing it as well, maybe doing it again when I can go out and get hair products and hair accessories, doing different accessories in this style as well, or even maybe using color, maybe dyeing some parts of it as a great party look as well. As I said guys, it's really difficult for me to part. I don't have a mirror on mirror kind of thing, so I can clearly see in the back, so I've got to use this little mirror, which is cute at least. I'm just going to try my best to get the shape that replicates this kind of nice heart shape. As you can see, I've got the basic shape that I want, but I'm going to try and define it the best that I can. Obviously, it's really difficult using the small mirror, but I'm going to really try to define the pattern, and then I'll come and show you the final result. So I've done as much sectioning as I can. I believe that this is the kind of style and shape I'm going to be going for. So now what I'm going to do is go into each part. I'm going to use a rubber band to secure it. On each part, I'm going to have 3 plaits, and then on the center part, I'm going to do 6 plaits. are the plaits I've done so far. I've realised that I don't need to plait all the way toward the bottom because it's really a short amount that is actually sticking out that is plaited. So I'm going to save myself some time because my hair is quite long, so I'm going to save myself time and just twist the bottom of it, and then I'll be able to wrap it around. So once I've completed all the plaits, I'm going to then wrap the ends around the base of the ponytail. There I have the final result. Now my hair's a bit longer, so it's not exactly the same as hers, so I might tighten it or I might just leave it to hang a little bit longer. But now I'm going to complete the rest of my hair. I'm going to do all the plaits and the twists, and I'll come back and show you the final look. So this is my final look, guys. I'm so happy with it. It really turned out really beautiful and surprising. As you can see in the front, I made 4 plaits instead of 5 or 3, just to kind of add like a fringe effect. But I'm so happy with this, and I'm definitely going to be doing this style again when I go out, when it's summer and we can go out again and we can party. I'm definitely going to be wearing this style because it's actually really beautiful. So let me know in the comments what you think, and if you have any more hairstyles, let me know in the comment section. If you have a Pinterest board or some pictures that you want me to recreate. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please let me know by giving me a big old thumbs up. Please share, subscribe, and I will see you next time for another ancient African hairstyle tutorial. Quality video, quarantine. Wait. In it though. Tell him.